Once again, you're welcome to Digital Cloud channel. On this channel, we teach you how to make money online, digital search engine optimization, and digital marketing business. Once again, you're welcome. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to make money through CPA marketing. Please click the like button, share this video to your friends on Twitter, on YouTube, and other social media channels, and you will get notified whenever we post our next video. Thank you. Now today, I'll be taking you through how you can make good money from CPA Grip. This is a CPA platform. We also have CPA Build, CPA Vault. You have so many CPA platforms that you can actually make money from. But today, we'll be looking at how we can make money from CPA Grip. Before you can access this platform, you have to register with the platform, fill in your all the necessary information as regards your name, your email address, and the rest of it before you can log into this platform. As you can see, this is the dashboard. Here is my dashboard. I have to clear my account because I made some money like in December, so for this month I've not started attending to offers. So for you to start making money on CPA Grip, after you must have registered and you've logged in, this is how the dashboard like. You have to go to offer tools, or before you go to offer tools, on the dashboard you can see that people are actually making money. This person has made 21.98 yesterday. This person made 4.43. People are actually making good money. Big Great has earned over 65,281.37. Like that. When if you scroll down, you will see the breakdown of countries and all the recent offers added. These are the recent offers. You can actually go and click this offer. This is on Finland. This is a Finland offer. You can attend to this offer because this is a desktop offer. It means credit card submit. You have to submit your credit card. You can only complete this offer if you're in Finland. If you're in or any other parts of the country, any other parts of the world, you can't complete this offer. This offer is mainly for Finland, and after you must have completed it, if you go to Google Translate, you can use Google Translate to understand what's the meaning of this statement. But I believe it's asking for the detail of the person that wants to complete this offer. After the person must have fill in the details, he will be paid $25.65. That is after submitting his credit card information. So like that, you can see these are the recently added offers. If you scroll down, you will see the top performing offers for different countries. This is 21 point. If you hold your mouse over this, you see that this is for Switzerland. Click it. So this one is also credit card summit for mobile device. So you can only complete this offer on mobile device. Some will tell you you can complete the offer on desktop, while some are on mobile device. So you have to follow the details before you can make money. Your credit card information, you'll be paid $21.35. So like that. So before you go into the main offer, it's always advisable to check what you have on the dashboard first. So let's go to the main offer. Here is the offer tool. You click the offer tool. These are my offers. Go to my offers. So it's always advisable to, because I'm in Nigeria, it's always advisable to go for first-tier countries like United States of America, Germany, United Kingdom, Canada. So for me to complete offers in United States, what I will have to do is to go to United States. You click this, still loading, sorry, the data is still loading. You click this and type in United States. After you must have typed in United States, it will bring up all the offers under United States. It's coming up. As you can see, these are the offers under United States. This offer can only be completed in a mobile device, mobile iOS. This is image submit, image zip submit. You have to add your other information for you to get this payment of $3.16. So what you have to do is to click this. You can see this is the offer. Get $750 towards your account now. Enter your information now for a chance to win $3.16 on a mobile device. That's email summit and zip summit. As you can see, it's very easy. The most important thing is for you to follow the details. This offer can only be completed in United States. So what you do is you go and copy the link. When you copy the link, you have to create a landing page. Because it's not advisable to use your affiliate link directly when you completing a CPA offer, or else your account will be banned. So the best thing you can do is to go to a website like cloud.breezy to create a landing page, or you go to Linktree. It's easier to use Linktree. So before I continue, let me quickly explain to you as you can, so that for you to earn more, like this 750 PayPal gift card, this image of summit, it has been specified there. Is either you complete this offer on mobile iOS or desktop. This one is mobile Droid, like that. It's either mobile device or desktop. You can pick as much as 5 or 10 for you to earn more. So the next, you can go to Linktree. It's faster using Linktree, because if you have to use cloud.breezy, it may take some time. Because of our time in this video, let's quickly use Linktree. Let me quickly create a landing page with Linktree so you can see. Let me show you a good example. You can use your username, because we are creating an offer. The name of this offer, this $750 towards your account. You can just give it a name that you can easily remember. And put $750, free $750, free. Okay. Okay, sorry, we have to click sign up because we want to sign up. Okay, after you must have prepared your landing page, you must have created your landing page. This is how it will look like. This is a landing page each of the offers on the landing page. So by creating this landing page, it will be easier for you to use the URL of the landing page to go and drive traffic to each of your offers. your CPA offers. Like this, you copy it. You now go to a website, to this website, this social media website, twitter.com. With Twitter, you can easily generate good traffic to your CPA offers. The trick is this: when you get to this platform, this is my Twitter account. Okay, this is my Twitter account. The trick I want to teach you here is this. So we are on Twitter right now. For us to get traffic to our CPA offer, the trick here is that we'll look for what is trending right now on Twitter. As you can see, these are the trending keywords. These are the trending topics. You see, Shiba Inu, Aptos, Mod Coins, Blizzard, Sell, Man U. That's in the area of sports. Shiba Inu, that's in the area of business and finance. Business Aptos in the area of business and finance. Because we are looking for, we'll now go to this website. Go to this AI platform, that is ChatGPT, and we'll ask the ChatGPT to generate a tweet for the trending keyword. Autos, we pick one of those trending keywords in Twitter. Sorry, let me position. You press enter. You see, it will generate a tweet for that keyword. As you can see, just describe the word of Autos blowing like that. It will give you a tweet. So after I must have gotten the tweet from ChatGPT, we'll copy it, go back to Twitter, click tweet. We want to tweet right now. So the next thing we have to do is we'll paste it on Twitter. We'll paste our tweet. And now go back to our CPA offer to get the link to our CPA offer. This is our CPA offer. We'll copy it. I must have copied it. Come back to tweet. Back to, we'll paste. This is our offer. Then the next thing we'll do is to tweet it. But before you do this, make sure that you've changed your location to US or whatever country your offer is. As you can see, this offer has been tweeted, and before you know what is happening, people will start seeing the offer and they will start responding. I will start getting leads to that same offer. This is one of the fastest means of making money with CPA marketing. So what you need is for you to get a good offer with a good payout. Prepare a landing page for yourself. After, you must have prepared the landing page by using Linktree or using cloud.breezy. Then you go to ChatGPT, you generate a tweet for the trending keyword in Twitter. The next thing is you get your CPA offer and you use it to tweet on Twitter. With time, by the time I go back, maybe after 2 or 3 or 4 hours, I will start getting response from people. I'll start getting leads to this particular offer. So this is one of the fastest means of making money through CPA marketing. If you've gotten value from this video, I would like you to click the like button and subscribe to this channel. So thank you very much. Watch out for our next video.